Hey guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be making the pirate ship challenge. So as you can see, I'm just a pirate ship. I just got the skin, so 80. And no melee skin and no backpack. You know what, I'm just gonna use default glider. And yeah, and I'm just gonna go to the snow place. What's it called again? Yeah, Lucky Lake. Lucky Lake. And I'm just gonna stay there really. I'm just gonna like stay in one of the houses and just camp there. And if someone comes in, probably thinking that I'm just a statue, I guess. This skin looks so sick, you know. I'm just gonna stay here. I don't want people to know my skin. So we're gonna go all the way there. Hope there's some defaults. There isn't really a pirate place. It would be nice if I actually went to one. I'm gonna jump here. Please no one come here. Oh yes, right there. Right. Is there a way I can hide my hands? Yep, just default knows I'm here. Can you go away, please? I'm literally just gonna stay here. Oh, there's another. Let me seal for a bit. No, I'm good. Just gonna... Dang it, we're not in the zone. Nope. Oh my god, no way. It worked. Guys, it worked. Oh my god, this guy. No flipping way, it actually worked. That guy's a sniper of Gorge. Yo, no, that was sick. Okay, it works. We know it works. Yeah, give me that gun right now. Deagle. This gun's not that bad. You know, I need some ammo. Oh, storm. Let's see. Yeah, we made this type of skin last time. I forgot which one was it. Was it like that snow thing? Come on, you don't know I'm here. Come on. Yep. Yes. Attaboy. Yo, is the guy still there? Oh, 1 kill. Not bad. I mean, it's not like I'm going for kills. Yo, I'm gonna just go nicely here. Find a bush. Oh, I could... Nope, no. No, I'm just, I'm sailing away. Oh, it's laggy. No, I don't want to be here. Please, no, be here. No, come on. I'm not here, okay? I'm not here. Fight. Yep, keep fighting. Oh, no. Run, guys, run. I'm probably not even gonna get first place under these very rubbish circumstances. You know what? I might actually do that. I'm gonna get these grenades and get this. I'm gonna try and like... No, get out. You know what? Go get that airdrop. Yep, you want that airdrop, don't you? need to find a bush. No, who did that? Oh, no, no, no. No, get out, get out. Find a bush, find a bush. No, I don't want to fight. Okay, I'm over here, okay? Okay, no, this is bad. Get out. Yo, what was that? This might actually work. Oh, I got third place. It's not bad. Okay, someone did not see me. Okay, it's good disguise, but I have to disguise myself even more. So, what should I just go back to Lucky Lake? I could be in Blossom Bars. Okay. No, many people go there. Okay, I will. No one knows I'm here. Please, no one come here. No one come here. Yo, get out. Don't kill yourself. Yo. Default, please, please. Yep. Come on, don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Okay, he did not see me. Yo, I might. If I had an OP, that would be amazing. Yeah, that's what I like. What? There's a guy there. Now using meds, I'll use meds. Yes. Okay, let's go get that gun. Oh, can't take that. No, I'll take these. Oh wait, no, I can take that. No, me. I should go somewhere that has like loads of places like this. Wait, I need a sniper. Yeah, I guess so. Okay, storm's coming in. And that was such a bad idea. That was a default. He obviously knew I was there. Right. Oh no. Well. No, what I. Yes, bingo. Okay, I'm gonna stay in that bush. No, you won't, wait. Okay, run. Perfect, we're in the circle. Yep. You can't see me. I'm just eating while I'm doing this. I want to get those impulses. Quick. Oh no. Someone has the crossbow. Oh, we're on the storm. Someone shoots in this, I am dead. 4 people left. What, 5? 4 and me. Nah. Get out. I don't like your gun. Legendary. Yo. Please go away. He did not see me. He didn't even see me. Yo, I might do that tactic again. Shoot, but I have to get out of there. Let's go. We won. We won. The pirate ship tactic. Sick. That look at that beautiful. Whoa. Yo, how did I get 2,620? There's this glitch that's so sick that gives you so much XP. Let's go. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe you can, if you have a skin, try it too. May work, may not work. But yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. I'm not sure when. Probably tomorrow or after tomorrow. Peace.